Video I'm going to show you that how do you save any analysis that you are doing in jump and how you can retrieve that analysis once you have even closed the jump. So for demonstration purpose here I am deleting the existing analysis that I have done on this particular sheet, but let's say that this is the data set that you imported in jump, and you either you are checking the distribution of a variable here, suppose something like this, and then what you want to do is that you want to save this analysis and maybe embed into this particular sheet. For that, you go to the first red triangle in the analysis, wherever it is, the first red triangle. If you go to that red triangle and click on it, you will find this option save script, and then hit save to data table. So once you click on save to data table, it will ask what do you want to name it as. So suppose if I just want to name it as distribution check, you can give any name that you want and click on OK. And now on the left hand side, you will see that distribution check, whatever you just mentioned, it has appeared as the saved analysis. So even if I close it, and I click on play button, this green button, it will redo the analysis that I have already done. Basically, it is embedding the analysis that you have saved and it is showing it to you again. Now suppose if you want to do regression analysis here, so go to fit model, ct, rp and p are my x variables, r is my y variable, and click on run. Suppose you did some analysis, and in this analysis you stored the prediction formula. Apart from that, you also stored mean confidence intervals, and let's say you have performed some testing, something like Durbin-Watson test, which is appended here. Now you want to save this particular analysis which is appearing in this particular window. So for that, again go to the top red triangle, which is in this case it is this one. Click on it, choose save script to data table and rename it, let's say regression. Okay, you can go by the default name also and click OK. And even if I close it, you will see if I click on this particular button, whatever analysis I have done, that will appear here. So that is how you store the already done analysis in the jump. And what we can do is we can store this sheet, because this data was in Excel, it was not in jump. So suppose even if I close it, let's say if I save this particular sheet, and I'm going to save it on my desktop, and let's see if I name it demo JMP. Okay, so demo JMP, and I have stored it, and even if I close it, okay, even if I close it, then in that case I can run it again. So if you click on open, and on the desktop if you go to demo_jump here, so you will see that the data you need not to import from Excel again and again. It has already saved the columns that you have saved in the data file. It has already imported all the analysis that you have done. So regression, diagnostic check, or distribution check, whatever you want to do, you can do like this. So this is a nice feature in jump where you can save the analysis that you have done and retrieve it whenever you like. Thank you.